Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I created this effect using the Sprite custom alignment. So these are all Sprite except the center sphere that has a reflection, but these all are sprites and these are aligned and moving on the surface of that sphere. So let's create this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Let's start this. So in this I have this sphere, and except that I have all these three elements that are sprites. So I have these, then I have these small, and then I have these lines. Okay, so let's create that again. So oops, I accidentally closed that. Let me search Niagara alignment confirm. So here it is in my R&D folder, alignment, and let's create a new folder, test. In the test I will take a Niagara and I'll take the fountain. Okay, FX. So I have this, and let's